Unboxing Demon Slayer Episode 5. Funko Movie Moments. Funko 4 inches Pop and Funko T-shirt and Pop. Let's start with the anime fighting moments between Tanjiro vs Rui. Here's the backdrop cardboard for the anime moments. Loving the details on Rui's eyes and face. Spider web design is on Rui's outfit. The pink flame appears during the fight when Nezuko uses the blood demon art to defeat Rui together with Tanjiro. Here's the moment. During the fight Tanjiro's sword broke. Funko included this detail in the Funko Pop. It's amazing. Next up, Mini Nezuko in the box. This is a box lunch exclusive Funko Pop. The backdrop is the design print from Nezuko's kimono. Nezuko's body is very small. It's like the scene where she came out from the tiny box and grew up. Next, Giyu, Tomioka, in his water-breathing 11th form moment.
Total concentration. Water breathing. The 11th form. Dead calm.
Let's unbox this Funko with anime exclusive sticker. The quote on the box flat says, "Don't cry. Don't despair. Those things won't do you any good." Amazing blue eyes and the water splash spread around Giyu. His outfit is similar to the anime show. Let's take a closer look at the figurine. This figurine is awesome. Do you like it? Please smash the like and subscribe button if you love our unboxing. Moving on to unbox. Inosuke Hashibira. This is the box lunch exclusive Funko Pop. So disappointed. There is no quotes on the box flag. Inosuke is always in the fighting mood. It is funny to have a figurine of him in a relaxing resting pose. Loving it. Next, GameStop exclusive Funko Demon Slayer Inosuke T-shirt and Pop. Take a closer look at the T-shirt. The design print is the same as the figurine. That's nice. Can't wait to wear it. Let's continue. GameStop exclusive Funko 4 inches Pop. There is no quotes on the box flag. If you watch our Demon Slayer unboxing video episode 1, you will know that most of the Funko box flap has a quotes or character icon on it. This figurine's pop base is bigger than the usual ones. The Inosuke Flocked Chase holds both his sword apart, while this figurine holds the both swords in a cross pose. Unboxing Gyomei Himejima. This figurine comes with Chase Pop. This box flap also do not have the quotes. Amazing hairstyle. Very impressed with the details on the outfit. Sadly, we did not get the chase. The chase figurine looks like this. The PPG pop price guide is at $115. A few resellers are selling more than PPG, so we are likely to give this chase a miss. We hope you get the chase pop. Good luck. Till then, happy toy collecting.